Well, ladies and gentlemen, hope everybody's keeping okay. It is Tuesday the 8th today. Just going to do a quick catch-up video. Say hi, Monkey. Hi, Paul. Hi, Monkey. There's my little poppies there. I think I've had a little slug or snail get into them because a few have now not got anything growing in them. So, slugs and snails and puppy dog tails. Like screaming. So, we've got the weather here. Let's see what the weather is like. We've got 12.7 inside, 9.7 outside. What about the second one? 6.3. So a big difference there. Just want to show you. All this needs to be tidied up. This is where my wood burning stove is going to be. I'm going to move this back of that mirror there. Dig this out, level it. I'm putting some flags down. Then I'm going to build a brick side up that side. A brick at the back and a brick to the right there. Then the flue's going to come out through here, up and out the top. So yeah, I've got everything I need except for some bricks and some cement. I'm going to show you inside here. This is not heated, this part. These are under my LED lights. Just want to show you there. Things are starting to get really going really well. They've been treated for well, I've got the name of it now. Vine weevil. I've used some bug clear on those. And these are my dahlias. They'll start to look really well. They got put on the other day. But as you can see with the cold here, just see it there. So I might put my heater mat on there. Get a bit of temperature going in there. So we'll just move around here. And get onto here, shall we? These are my propagators. Propagator number 1. Let's have a look in here, shall we? There's the top of. Like down the back. There we go. So we have petunias still haven't germinated. My carnations have germinated really well. And then we have my little persimmon trail. These are from 3 different suppliers, and all 3 are germinating, which I'm really pleased about. As you can see there, 1, 2, 3. So far so good with those. If we move over here, propagator number 2. What do we have in here? Some Veronica mix colours. Yep, they're propagating really well. And then down here we have bee balm, really well there. And then we have verbena, propagating well, and delphinium. So all those really well. So yeah, my verbena there, that's really well, and my delphiniums germinated really well. At the back here we have my arboretia. As you can see here, 3 different types of compost, and they're all growing really well. That's my fault with it being in the at the front there. I've let that dry out once, which is not good for seedlings. And then we have down here my geraniums, perennial, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 out of 8. Then my genums, what we've got here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13 out of 15. That is absolutely amazing. So yeah, that's everything in my greenhouse. If you've got any questions about anything growing, oh wait a minute, I just want to show you this before we go. Got this out of the greenhouse. This is going to be absolutely perfect for my seeds. I think I might cut out Perspex 2 pieces, and then I can have 3 sections, 1 for old seed packets that I'm growing, 1 for open seed packets, and 1 for new seed packets. Or I might annual, perennial, biannual. But I think that 3 would probably be better. Open, used, and new. Then the top here, you can see I've got it many years ago from home, but this came with, but it's free. And I can put my labels on there, my pens, so yeah, that'll do really well for my seeds. If you've got any questions about anything growing in my greenhouse or in the garden, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Please subscribe and like. Thank you. Bye.